Chapter 3. Alameda, the Basket Weaver. Alameda, where are you? My mother called. I did not answer. Instead, I crept around the corner of our home and hid. I waited and watched in the cooling shade. I held my breath. I was just about to close my eyes when a lizard raced across my bare feet. It tickled.
She's hiding from you,